So I want to show you how to build a mortgage amortization table using Excel. First thing you need to do is set up your spreadsheet to look like what I've got in front of you there, with labels for your rows: beginning balance, payment, interest, principal, and ending balance, and the beginning balance for the mortgage of $100,000. We got a 10-year term, we got 7% annual interest, and we're going to keep it simple and do annual payments. So the first thing you'll do, click on the cell under payment, and what we're going to do is we're going to insert a function. So I'm going to go to insert, I'll go to function, and pull that over there, and I will select the PMT, the payment function, from the formula builder. Double click on that. And now down in my dialog box, I can select the rate, so 7% per year, the number of periods, number of payments, in this case 10, and then PV, present value, or the amount that we're going to borrow, in this case $100,000. Type in 100,000, select enter, and Excel returns my payment, $14,237 and some change. Alright, next thing I need to do is enter in the interest amount. My formula for that will be equal to the beginning balance times the annual interest rate, 7%. So Excel returns $7,000 for the interest. The amount of the payment that goes to principal is going to be the difference between that payment and the interest amount. Note I'm adding the two together because when Excel calculates the payment, it returns that as a negative value. That's because Excel interprets the payment as money going out. So I click enter under principal. I come up with my principal reduction. And now my ending balance after the payment, the balance in the mortgage payable account, will be calculated as the beginning balance, the 100,000, plus that negative principal. So I'm subtracting the principal. Now I've got my ending balance, and my ending balance for period 1 is going to be the beginning balance for period 2. So to finish my table, what I'll do is for the payment for the second period, that'll be the same as the beginning period, so that equals C6. And then for these three cells, I'll highlight them, grab the southeast, the lower right corner, copy down. Now I've got my ending balance. And for the rest of my payment, rest of my table, grab that whole row. Now grab that southeast corner and fill down. You can tell I've done it correctly because my ending balance for the loan at the end of 10 years, at the end of my 10-year term, is that 0 amount. Hope that helps.